Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can cancel your ChatGPT subscription plan. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Now, there are two ways you can achieve this. First, if you head over to your ChatGPT account and click on your profile icon down below, you should be able to see your current plan. If you click on your current plan, you should be able to see your current plan and other plans. So you can click on see all to see all the available plans. One way to cancel your plan is just to switch to a free plan. So that is one of the method. However, the most effective method to ensure no amount will be deducted from your bank or from your payment wallet is to go to this ChatGPT profile icon and then go to settings, and here head over to account. Now under account, scroll down to payment. Now under payment, choose manage, and by clicking on manage, you'll be taken to your OpenAI billing settings. Here you should be able to see your current payment method that you added. For my case, I don't have any because I'm on a free plan. However, should you have one, the best way to cancel your plan is just to remove your payment method. So by removing it here, you'll have denied OpenAI access to your payment wallet. From now henceforth, you'll be switched to the free plan, or you can now switch to the free plan where you can use the free plan if that was your plan. Once you're done now, return to your normal account, and here you'll see you'll be on a ChatGPT free account. So that's how you can cancel your ChatGPT subscription. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.